my hair. Around, this is my hair. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to cut my hair and I'm gonna show you to you. I'll show you how I do it. Look, I have a long hair, right? Well, sometimes because I'm avoiding going to salon nowadays because of COVID-19. Well, sorry about the mess. Yes! We're looking fresh today. But, I wanna get rid of like 1 to 2 inches of my hair. Look. Well, normally, I have to contact my friend or go to a salon. But this time, I don't wanna go to a salon. So actually, sometimes I do it myself. So how to do it? Here you go. This is how I do it. So, just comb your hair like that. No. I'll show you how I do it, how to do it. Because I have a little talent, I'll show you how to do it. So, just like that. Kailangan pantay na sila. So, both side. Yan. I think I'll cut around 2 inches. I'm just using a normal scissor for hair. Okay. See? Cut my hair around 1.5 inches or maybe 2 inches. See? Then, some adjustment. Then, the other side. Okay. This is how I do it. Well, I'm not a hairdresser, so this is my only way to deal with it. And this is how I do it. Every like 2 months, I do it like this. Just like that. Try to not move too much. Huwag masyadong galaw ng galaw para mapantay natin yung hair. Alright? So then, almost done. May naiwan. So, try to avoid moving. Yan. See? So, ito yung hair natin na na-cut. Yan. Yep. All done. Yes. This is my hair. Yup. Closer look. O, diba? This is just a quick remedy. It's like a small solution. Quick solution. If you don't like to go to a salon, that's what I do. That's how I do it. So, I don't want to go to salon because I'm traumatized about COVID. I'm traumatized. I don't want to get sick in a closed space establishment like salon. So, I'm avoiding going to salon. That's why. So, I can do it myself like this. See? Diba? Looks good, right? Looking good. Talikod tayo. See? Diba? All good, diba? Ayan. Play natin. See? Alright. That's how we do it. See? Pantay lang siya. See? All done. Kasi diba, it's too hot sometimes. It's too long. It's too long. My hair grows too fast. That's another way of solving it. So I hope you learned something from this video. Quick cutting of my hair episode. So it's time to clean up and I need to put this hair in a garbage bin. Yes! O diba? Very quick solution. If I don't wanna go to salon, if you don't want to go to any salon at the moment, you don't have time, that's what I do. This is the type of scissor I'm using. This one. So, that's it. All good. Oops, may naiwan pa. Well guys, thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other episodes here. And check out my playlist and also check out my Facebook page. Please watch my other adventures here and recipe and kung ano-ano pang kalandian. Alright, bye! See you again to my next episode.